Good morning, children. A warm welcome to all of you to the academic year 2020-21. Now you all are in standard 5th. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Tejaswini Zadav. I am your EVS 1 teacher. So, let us start our first online session with lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. You can see a picture on your screen. In this picture, you can see many stars. They are far away from the earth. Among them, some stars are prominent while some are small and faint. Prominent means noticeable. It is easy to see. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. Do you know, children? The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets, they are together known as heavenly bodies. There is an activity given in the textbook on page number 1. In this activity, you have to observe the sky on 2 clear nights, keeping a gap of a week between them based on the following points. First one, the brightness of the heavenly bodies. Second one, whether they twinkle or not. Third one, how is their color and size? And fourth one, what are the changes in their position? Now, let us learn more about stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star and it is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and bright, and because of its bright light, we cannot see other stars. Next, we will learn about planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have their own light. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Our next point is the solar system. Our Earth is a planet and it gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets in the solar system that revolve around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You can see all these planets and the sun in this picture. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as the planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets, there are various other heavenly bodies in the solar system. They are satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids. Now, let us learn about satellites. Some heavenly bodies that revolve around planets are called satellites. Satellites get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Like the moon, there are some other artificial satellites. You can see the picture of artificial satellite on your screen. Now, let us see the dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. The most well-known dwarf planet is Pluto. These planets have their own orbits and they revolve independently around the Sun. Next, we will see asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies called asteroids. Other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller as compared to the Sun. The Moon is closest to the Earth, and that is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the Sun. Thank you.